What is the Communist Manifesto, and why does it matter? What exactly is the Communist Manifesto, and why does it hold such importance? Written by Karl Marx and Friedrich Engels in 1848, this document is a key piece of modern socialism. Commissioned by the Communist League, it serves as a political pamphlet outlining the principles of communism. The manifesto argues that capitalism leads to alienation and inequality. It predicts that capitalism will eventually collapse due to its internal contradictions. The document advocates for a classless society where the means of production are collectively owned. It calls for the abolition of private property and suggests establishing a socialist state as a transitional phase to communism. Karl Marx and Friedrich Engels worked closely together to develop the ideas presented in the manifesto. Marx provided the theoretical framework while Engels contributed to the writing and editing process. Their collaboration was essential in shaping the content and style of this influential work. The Communist Manifesto has had a profound impact on revolutions around the world. It inspired socialist movements across Europe and beyond, influencing political and social changes in the 19th and 20th centuries. The call for workers to unite and overthrow capitalist systems resonated with labor movements globally. In the manifesto, the term proletariat refers to the working class, which Marx viewed as the key to revolution. He believed that the proletariat, exploited by capitalism, would eventually rise up to overthrow the capitalist class and establish a socialist society. This group was significant to Marx because it represented the majority of the population and was seen as the driving force behind social change. Marx argued that capitalism would eventually collapse due to its contradictions. He claimed that capitalism creates wealth disparities and alienates workers from their labor. This leads to social unrest and, ultimately, revolution. The concentration of wealth among a few capitalists and the exploitation of workers would drive the working class to demand change. Communist ideas spread from Europe to other continents through literature, political movements, and international organizations. The manifesto was translated into many languages, allowing its ideas to reach a global audience. Socialist and communist movements in Europe also influenced similar movements in other parts of the world, contributing to the spread of communist ideology. In the context of globalization, the Communist Manifesto remains relevant today. It critiques the exploitation found in capitalist systems and advocates for a more equitable distribution of resources. Its ideas about class struggle and collective ownership continue to influence socialist thought and action around the world. Understanding the Communist Manifesto helps us see the ongoing discussions about economic systems and social justice in our society.